So here we are. Look at that. This is the steak from Subway. Let me give this a try. I mean, let me show you what's in it right here. Let's give this a try. A jalapeno cheddar sandwich. Mmm. I did not get the jalapeno yet. I get the steak. Steak is tender. Ooh, the bacon's crispy. Mmm. Mmm. All right, so here's for the review right here. We got there the jalapenos. Ooh, wow. They are kind of dry. Spicy, you get a kick with this. Jalapeno cheddar bread, that must be new. I'm doing good, Kenneth, Kentucky fam. How you doing? Mmm. So I got the bread on here is soft, of course. I say soft all the time, right? Vegetables are crisp. I'm getting offended. I'm getting offended by all this stuff. That's what the jalapeno's saying. I'm so offended. Why am I dry? Well, because you're a little spicy. Aren't you, little buddy? Yeah, bacon's good on here. I put mayonnaise, mustard, mayonnaise, light mayonnaise, barbecue sauce, and Chipotle Southwest. Oh, yeah. When you take a bite of the dry jalapenos, you get a very spicy kick. Oh, man. It's really good. And it has pepper jack cheese on here. Yeah, the gym workouts. People are going to be little crazy people. You know, we'll edit that. I'll say it after I'm done eating. Gym workouts. I can't wait to do it for you fans later on. Mm. This is good. So if anybody's on here, feel free to subscribe to my wrestling news channel. I triple dog dare you people on there to troll it. I triple dog dare you. Unless I'm Biff, unless anybody's chicken to subscribe to that channel and post on there. So if you're a real big fan and you like my personality, you should check out that channel. It's all wrestling content, but you'll still get wrestling on this YouTube channel for my matches every Saturday. And Joy's World Tour versus Report of the Week is going to go up next Saturday because I'm very busy this weekend. I got family plans. That's why I'm giving you guys 4 food videos. So, what would I give this on my rating? On Outlaws rating, I mean, the steak, it's tender, but this is not as good as the garlic sandwich from Subway. That's by far the best one I've had so far. So I'm going to give it a 4 out of 5. It's really good. I told you the vegetables are crisp. I would probably order this again. But, you know, honestly, if I want a steak place, I'd probably go to like the Charlie's or any good steak places to get a steak sandwich. All right. So, you guys, all right, okay. So, you can click on my wrestling channel right here if you want to subscribe to that and post whatever you want. You can click on my playlist right here for Outlaws Live Uncensored or all my other playlists for Outlaws 5-star reviews. Click the round subscribe button, and that's it for the review. And you can't review it until you taste it. And next time, I will see my Outlaws in my next video. Outlaws! Outlaws Generation out. And take care, everybody.